In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a school management system using WordPress in 2025. Whether you're a school administrator looking to streamline your processes or simply someone interested in learning a new skill, this is the perfect guide to get you started. We'll take a step-by-step approach to ensure you can follow along easily and set up your own system in no time. First, we'll start with heading over to WordPress.com. As a powerful content management system, WordPress makes it incredibly easy for even the most novice users to create robust websites. Once there, the first task you'll need to do is click on Log In. This step is straightforward and gives you access to your WordPress account. If you don't have an account yet, this is a perfect time to sign up and get yourself equipped with the necessary tools for this tutorial. With successful login, the next thing is to navigate to the WordPress dashboard. The dashboard is the heart of WordPress, offering a seamless interface with various options that allow you to manage your site effectively. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area, as you'll be visiting it often to make changes and updates. Now, we move on to the really exciting part, customizing our WordPress site to transform it into a functional school management system. On the dashboard's side menu, you'll see an option for plugins. Go ahead and click on it. Plugins are essential components that expand the capabilities of WordPress, allowing you to add specific functionalities without any coding knowledge. Next, you'll want to click on Add Plugin. This takes you to a space where you can search for thousands of plugins that serve all sorts of purposes. For our project, you'll need to search for the term School Management. This search will bring up several options, and you should carefully assess which one best fits your needs. Once you've made your choice, the final step in this installation process is to click on Install and Activate. This action not only downloads the plugin to your WordPress installation, but also turns it on, making it ready to use. And there you have it, your very own school management system powered by WordPress. This system can handle an array of tasks, from student enrollments and attendance tracking to grade management and homework assignments. The best part? It's highly customizable, so feel free to tweak the settings to suit your specific requirements. You're now all set to efficiently manage school activities and data, saving time and improving organization. That's it for today's tutorial. You've just created a school management system using WordPress. If you found this process easy to follow, consider subscribing for more tutorials to enhance your digital skills. Happy managing, and see you in the next video.